Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And today in this video, I'm going to show you the best affiliate programs for beginners to promote in 2020, guys. Okay, I just did a video the other day about how to choose kind of the best types. So now I'm going to give you some examples of the actual affiliate programs that you can join. Okay, so let's get started right now. So here we are on the first one. I'm going to show you here is ShareASale. ShareASale is considered an affiliate network actually, because an affiliate network shows you a bunch of different products from a bunch of different companies. So an affiliate network is where affiliates and product owners can come together and help each other basically. Okay, so you just got to go to, I want to promote this merchant on my website, or I want to be one of these merchants. So you're going to click as an affiliate, you're going to click on the yellow button. Okay, so there is a merchant login and affiliate login, but you would want to sign up as an affiliate first. And so what's inside? Well, you're going to see a bunch of different, look, you could preview the merchants right there. Okay, so it says preview merchants. ShareASale hosts 3,900 affiliate programs spanning 40 different categories. Choose a category below to preview a selection of merchant programs. So these are mostly going to be for ShareASale. You're going to be looking at physical products. And remember in the last video, I was telling you about physical products and how you can earn about 5% to 10% on these because they are physical products, so the product owners don't have a big profit margin to share with you. They're only going to be sharing about 5 to 10% of their sales for affiliates. Okay, what's great about ShareASale is that they have very famous brands. Okay, so you could find your popular merchants on here. So as you can see here, you can see as it's scrolling here, the different types of brands that you can see that they have available. And down here, I can scroll through a few of them to have different brands. So the Grammarly is a big one. Fanatics is a good one. So if you have, you want to do a sports affiliate, here's a travel one for travel people up to 4%. And this is clothing line, 7%. And so this is a really good one to start with. ShareASale is not too hard to navigate and everything like that. So the next one that everybody kind of starts with as well for beginners is going to Amazon Associates. Okay, so Amazon.com is a huge online retailer, right? And anybody can sign up to the Amazon Associate program to earn up to 10%. They call it advertising fees. For them, it's an advertising fee for them, right? So that's what they're calling it. But you as an affiliate, you're earning that as a commission, right? Amazon sells a lot of products, okay? Like thousands and thousands of products. So it doesn't matter what niche you're going into. Majority of the niches that you will go into will have a product that you can find on Amazon. Okay, so signing up with their program is very good for beginners. However, they do have very stringent rules, so you just gotta be careful with the rules. What you need to know about Amazon is that they have their own affiliate clause that you need to have on your site. You only get like a 24-hour cookie, which is a very quick cookie. So what that means is that you can only earn a commission if your reader or your visitor clicks on your affiliate link and they only have 24 hours to buy for you to earn that commission. Okay, so if they click on your link and then they kind of look at Amazon's site and then they kind of get distracted or something like that and they go away and then they come back after 24 hours and they buy, well, you don't get that commission anymore. Okay, so that's the only thing about Amazon. Even though they are the best converting machine, so even though they have this 24-hour rule though, they have something really great, which is you will get commission on everything that that person buys in that session. Okay, so within that 24 hours, if they bought like a bunch of stuff, not only the stuff that you're promoting, that's crazy that you're going to earn all that commission no matter what. So as long as you bring somebody to Amazon and they buy anything and everything, you're going to earn commission on that. So that's the plus of Amazon. So these first two are about physical products. So I also want to show you examples where you could also go out and find more of the same. Okay, so like ShareASale is an affiliate network. So there are other affiliate networks that you can try to find, like CJ.com is another one. And then Amazon Associates is more of like a Target, right? They sell a lot of different products. So Target has their own affiliate program as well. So a Walmart or any online shopping that you could think of, they probably have an affiliate program that you can join. Okay, so these 5 examples I'll give you in this video is just examples of what other ones that you can find, all right, guys? And so Clickbank is going to be your beginner-friendly affiliate network for digital products. So if you want to earn a lot more than 10% on a product, you could definitely promote digital products. Digital products have low cost to produce, so they give away a lot more profit. They could share more profit with affiliates because of that. You can really earn a lot more with digital products in that sense. And Clickbank has a bunch of different affiliate products. So if you go to the marketplace, they have these categories down here. They have a lot of products. I don't know how many thousands of products they have in here, but they have a lot. So if you go to like any one of these niches, so one of these categories, so this is like where e-business and e-marketing. Look, you could earn crazy commissions on here, like these programs to help people to make money online. You just gotta be very careful about these programs. You need to research them to make sure they're high quality programs, because you don't want to just promote them for the sake of earning money, guys. You really want to help people with a product, okay? You really want to solve somebody's problem when you're promoting an affiliate as an affiliate. So you can find other digital networks like this that have digital products, okay? So more like this would be like warriorplus.com or jvzoo.com. So here's an individual affiliate program that I am in the process of learning and also promoting in the near future. So this is Clickfunnels. This is a software. So why I want to give you this example again is just an example. So softwares are a great way to promote. So if you don't use Clickfunnels, you can find another software to promote, because softwares have awesome affiliate programs because they usually have recurring commissions that you can earn, and they have either a 30 or 40% rate that you can earn at. And sometimes like Clickfunnels have even high ticket commissions that you can earn on the back end. Okay, so Clickfunnels is one of those programs that has a lot of, one of the best programs out there, because they have a lot of variety that you can earn from. Clickfunnels is a landing page builder. So if you want to work with sales funnels instead of like a blog website, Clickfunnels is the way to go. It's easy to make landing pages, and it actually integrates with WordPress very easily nowadays. And so there is really no excuse not to use Clickfunnels, because they are really one of the easiest ways to build beautiful landing pages and so forth. And oh my gosh, okay, so the other thing I need to mention about Clickfunnels is that if you can get 100 active people coming into Clickfunnels, being an active member, they will pay you to buy your dream car. So what that means is that once you get 100 active members, that means that you qualify to win their dream car, and they will give you $500 a month on top of what you're already earning from the program. And you're earning a lot of money. You're earning 40% on the recurring commissions, plus any other, like they have huge products in the back end as well that you could earn tons of different commissions and high ticket commissions on the back end as well. So you're going to get $500 a month on top of you earning a full-time income with this program. And if you hit 200 active members, then you're going to get $1,000 per month for your dream car. So you literally could pretty much get any car that you want at that point. All right, guys. So that's another fun thing about Clickfunnels. The last affiliate program that I want to talk to you about is Wealthy Affiliates. Wealthy Affiliates affiliate program is really good because you can earn recurring commissions, and you can earn kind of, I would call it mid-ticket commissions, because you can earn 3-digit commissions on here. with their 6-month plans and their yearly plans. So what is Wealthy Affiliate though? Why you want to even use Wealthy Affiliate is because if you're actually trying to learn how to start affiliate marketing, then you should really check out Wealthy Affiliate, because that's where I started in 2016, guys, okay? I used Wealthy Affiliate to build my blog, workanywherenow.com, and they've taught me so well that I've became a super affiliate using my website and using their training to build it. And so because I'm a super affiliate, I got to win a trip to Vegas. So that's another incentive that you get to have with the affiliate program if you want to promote Wealthy Affiliate. So they teach you how to build affiliate websites, guys. So if you want to do the Amazon program or ShareASale program or do Clickfunnels, well, you're going to need to build a website, guys. And these guys, Wealthy Affiliate, teaches you exactly how to build an affiliate website step by step. And it is not that hard at all. I'm a stay-at-home mom, guys. If I can follow this training, you can follow this training too. It is not that hard, okay? So, and people who are working and doing this part-time are also making success and actually able to quit their jobs, okay? I actually know people on here that do that. So you can actually go on Wealthy Affiliate to learn to build an affiliate marketing business in your topic, or you can just use the affiliate marketing niche and teach other people how to do affiliate marketing and promote this program as well, and then you're going to earn recurring commissions, and it's going to be a lifetime because you will be earning no matter what they buy in Wealthy Affiliate. So if they buy a domain on the platform, you get some money. If they set up an account, you get some money. Like, you earn kind of all over the place with this program. But the main thing is the recurring commissions, because as long as people stay on the platform, you earn commissions, okay? And if they upgrade to 6 months or 1 year, you make 3-digit commissions. So I've been here since 2016, and if you guys sign up with me using workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama, if you use that link, I'm going to be your premium coach. And what that means is that I'm going to provide you with free coaching on the platform. And you do want me in your corner, guys. I am very helpful. I help thousands and thousands of people that I've brought into Wealthy Affiliate. And also you want my bonuses, because one of my bonuses is the free coaching, but I have 2 more bonuses that will be on your profile as soon as you sign up for free, because you get to sign up for free, guys, okay? There's no credit card required, as you can see down here. And so it is an awesome platform, not only for you to learn how to build your affiliate marketing business, but you can also promote it if you want. And if you want to go into the affiliate marketing niche, that is, it is a very tough niche. So I gotta say that it's not gonna be easy, but it's gonna be very rewarding. Okay, so all the hard work is worth it, guys. When you can build a website that can make you money 24/7. Doesn't matter if you're working or sleeping or making dinner, okay? You could be earning any time of the day. And this is the power of Wealthy Affiliates training. It teaches you how to build your website in a way that attracts its own visitors, okay? That's very powerful. All right, guys, so sign up with workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama, okay, guys? And I'll see you on the platform. So, guys, that was the 5 affiliate programs that I want to show you, the best ones for you to start promoting in 2020. But also, this is really good for beginners because I show you the ShareASale and the Amazon affiliate programs, and you can check out other ones, Amazon Associates Alternative, or you could do ShareASale Alternative on Google, and you get other affiliate networks choices for you to kind of check out. So guys, I hope you really liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you can learn more about affiliate marketing and many other ways to make money online, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. I come out with videos every single week, guys. I have no idea when they come out, so you gotta get notified, okay? So I'll see you on the next video. Bye.